You see that, Scooch? It's what every dumper dreams of.
What? Dumping a mountain?
No, I mean grading a road like that.
Oh, well, that's what you're supposed to be doing today, isn't it? With Boza.
Oh, I don't mean with a dozer.
Oh.
I mean completely alone.
Alone? Oh, but I didn't think us dumpers could grade a road alone.
Oh, it's only ever been done once before. By Dexter Dumper.
Oh.
You have to go very carefully and very slowly so the gravel comes out evenly. But it can be done.
Can it really?
Right then, Lug. I'm ready to help you with the grading.
No need, Boza. I've decided to do it alone.
Alone? But surely that's impossible. You can't grade without a dozer.
I would like the opportunity to try.
Well, Lug, if you think you can do it...
Boza, I know I can do it. It's every dumper's dream. It's every dumper's dream.
And then he said, Boza, I know I can do it. It's every dumper's dream.
Ooh. Well, you're a dumper, Scooch. Have you ever dreamed about grading a road on your own?
No. Oh, but I might start now. Oh, it must be great to have a dream. Have you got one, Dix?
Well, I do have this one about being chased by a bag of cement, but I don't think that's a very important one.
Oh, that's not the kind of dream Scooch means. He means a real big thing that you promise yourself you'll do someday, no matter how difficult it may be.
Well, if that's what Lug's up to, then I want to see it. Come on, let's get over there.
Let's go.
Rolling back, Nolans. Rolling back.
Well, old friend, I think that you are 6 valves short of an engine to try this, but I'm very proud of you. Good luck.
Thank you, Carl.
Boza, there's that little mountain road behind me need grading.
It will all need grading, Scooch. Eventually. Right then, Lug. If you're ready, you'd better be on your way.
Who's the machine that's smooth as steel? Don't need a dozer, he's got the feel.
Lug.
Woo!
He can dump
Oh
it.
yeah, aye, come on. Who's the dumper that's had a dream? Gonna make it come true. You know what I mean?
Lug.
Lug.
Yes, he can dump
Yeah,
it.
Lug. Go, Lug.
Pretty fly. For a yellow guy.
Kerry, where's Scooch?
Don't know.
Who's the truck gonna make the grade? With his kind of room, he's got it made. Lug.
He can dump
He's
it.
one bad dumper.
Who's the one can do it alone without a grind or a moan or groan? Lug. Oh, that's right, Lug, now. We love you, Lug.
Woo, do the bump. Do the bump. Oh, man. That was cool.
Well, if grading a road is every dumper's dream, and I'm a dumper, then it's something I'd really better do. Now, I have to concentrate really hard. Excuse me, pardon me, coming back. Excuse me, pardon me. Ha.
Well, that's Lug on his way. Now, everyone back to work. I'll give a toot when he's about to come back around the other side.
Right, now I must concentrate on keeping the gravel even. Oh gosh, it's really difficult. No matter how hard Oh!
I wonder what happened to Scooch.
He's probably back at the home base.
I don't think I'm on the road anymore. Oh dear. What am I going to do? If I call out, no one will hear me. Oh, except Lug. But if I call out to him, he'll have to stop grading. And that would be the end of his dream. But maybe he wouldn't have to stop exactly. Maybe he could just have a little break.
Oh, I do wish they'd stop that cheering. It's putting me off. Hold on. It's coming from back there. It's Scooch. He must be in trouble. Hold on, little truck. I'm on my way. Warning, dumper reversing, urgent. Warning, dumper reversing, urgent. Mind out of the way.
What was that?
It was Lug. Something's gone wrong on the mountain road.
Scooch! Scooch! Are you all right?
I'm fine, as long as I don't move my wheels in either direction.
Scooch! Hang on up there.
Don't you worry, my little dumpen token. I will have you up in no time. There we are, safe and sound.
Thanks, Carl.
Well, Lug, you've done some fine grading on that road.
I thank you, Boza.
And Scooch, I hope this has made you realize that you need a few more miles on your clock before you try to do something as difficult as that again.
It really has, Boza. I'm sorry I made you stop, Lug.
Oh, don't even think about it. I do hope this won't put you off trying new things, Scooch. Grading a road alone was my dream, and it was a big dumper dream. But you might have some small dumper dreams that you want to try and do.
I'll try and think of some.
Oh, Scooch! I thought that dream thing you did was so great that I've decided it would be nice if Dixie's dream came true.
What dream was that then, Carrie?
The one where you get chased by a bag of cement. Here it comes.
Oh, help! The big bag of cement is coming to get me!